It is cold. Winter is here. The winter season is here. And what are some of the lessons that we can learn in a season year winter? As much as most of us feel so uncomfortable during this season, I'm one of those people. Abasabi winter. One thing we all know is that it is not here to destroy the earth, but rather to prepare it for a better season. In the same way, difficult seasons in our lives, winter seasons of our own lives, are not always signs that life is ending. Sometimes they are just a season of preparation, a season of rebuilding, a season of reflection, a season of hidden growth, much needed hidden growth. Just like the winter changes the atmosphere, difficult seasons change us as people. The trees lose their leaves, the air becomes colder, the days feel longer, everything appears slower and just quieter in your winter. And in life, challenges can feel the same way. And those are the moments when opportunities dry up, when relationships become distant, finances become tight, when motivation disappears, when hope feels buried underneath emotional coldness, But in truth, winter carries an important lesson, and that is not all growth has to be visible. During winter, the roots grow deeper underground, and even when nothing is blooming above the surface. Likewise, during hardships, character is being built, wisdom is being formed, faith is being tested, yes, resilience, however, is developing, and most importantly, purpose is being refined. We sometimes perceive winter as a failure because we only focus on the losses and the pain that it comes with. But winter teaches us that letting go of some things sometimes is necessary for new things to emerge again. And a tree does not panic, when it has no leaves during winter, because it understands that seasons change. And most of us need to remember this too, that pain is a season and not a permanent address. And the same ground, and understand that the same ground that seemed lifeless near winter begins to bloom again, winter. That the same person who felt broken begins to smile again, winter season, and that the heart that carried so much pain can still heal, will heal, season of winter. Sometimes God will allow winter seasons in our lives so that we can slow down in this fast-paced life, so that we can reflect, because we don't have time to sit with our own thoughts, and so that we can rediscover who we truly are and reset accordingly. And winter strips away what is unnecessary and reveals what is rooted deeply underneath within us. So if you are currently feeling like in your life it is literally winter, do not give up on yourself. Do not rush your healing. Do not assume silence means abandonment. The season may be uncomfortable, but it is not meaningless. You are being prepared for a new chapter. And just like the winter never lasts, neither will difficult seasons. They don't last. Better days will come, healing will come, growth will come, spring will come. And a gentle reminder, never judge your entire life by one season. Eventually, even the coldest days in winter have to give way to spring.